I started volunteering at Discovery mainly because I'd never done any volunteering before and I wanted to experience something new. I just wanted to help community and make small impacts that could, eventually lead to something bigger. The main project that I led was called Coffee Mates. It worked with autistic adults and the aim of it was social inclusivity. I've also had the chance to work on a project called Lego Club and Gadget Explorers. Lego Club worked with children working on teamwork around Lego, and Gadget Explorers work with elderly people with disabilities, and how to teach them to use basic technology, whether that be through something like using games or using Skype. Volunteering with Discovery made me feel very happy, and it also developed my self-confidence and also my leadership skills. It also made me want to make bigger impacts in the community, and ever since I've just wanted to volunteer more and more and more. I guess the best part of Discovery is that you're in a community that really cares about you and you're not being isolated, and that's especially important during a COVID era. I recommend everyone, and I mean absolutely everyone, should volunteer, whether that's with Discovery or anyone else. It certainly makes a huge impact, even if you're doing small things.